www.plissumatv.com. I'm here. It's 2008. I know for sure. Over.
I can change the world with my own two hands.
Hi everyone. Thank you for coming to our website here at youtube.com. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you so much. I'm here to pretty much beg you to save 8 million people from starving in Africa, East Africa. Yes, 8 million people, over 8 million people, according to UN, will be starving in Ethiopia, in Oromia. Yes, there will be starvation. Starvation is going on right now. It's 2008. There will be. This could be the last thing we want to see. 8 million people, children and women, starving because they have no food, because they have no water. They don't have food because they don't have money to buy food. They don't have money because I don't know. I don't have answers for questions. I'm sure you have questions. I'm sure you want to know why these 8 million people are starving today. I'm sure you want to know why. I know for sure, one thing for sure, these people need help today, right now. We must act now. We must save life today. There is starvation today going on right now in Ethiopia. 8 million people will be starving. Would you believe me? Do you believe me if I tell you 8 million people are starving to death? I think you should. I think we must act together today. We must save lives. Please, I'm begging you to save life all those children. Thank you so much. www.plissumatv.com.
Use your own two hands. Use your own two hands. Use your own two hands. And with our own two hands. With our own two hands. With my own two hands.
Yes.
I can hold you in my own two.
I'm here to beg you to give anything you could to help 8 million people from starvation. Save 8 million people today by donating. Thank you so much for your contribution.